This is the all-new Tecno Spark 40, an entry-level smartphone priced at just 142,700 naira or about $90. At that price, what do you get? Or should you even consider it? Let's find out. In the box, the Tecno Spark 40 comes with all the necessary accessories as you would expect from most entry-level devices. The most important one of them being the 45-watt charger. I'll talk more about the charger later in the video. You get a black TPU case, a pair of earpiece, a SIM card removal tool, a USB Type-C charging cable, an MTN voucher, and a warranty card, and that's pretty much it. Now, back to the device. This actually looks good. Some says it looks like an upcoming iPhone 17 Pro. You know what? Since that device is not officially released in the market, we don't know for sure what it will look like. So let's give credit to Tecno here. I love how stylish it looks and the way it feels in the hand. It comes in 4 different colors: the Veil White, Titanium Grey, Mirage Blue, and Ink Black, which is what I have here. The Spark 40 is rated IP64, meaning it can survive dust and water splash, which is great for a budget phone. But you know what? Don't just go swimming with it. On the right side of the device, you have the power button and the volume rocker keys. To the left, you have a dual nano SIM card tray and a micro SD card. At the bottom, we have a headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port, and the speaker grill. On top of the device, we have another speaker. Now, the speakers actually sound great. They sound really good for the price. The side-mounted fingerprint scanner is very responsive and I have no complaints or whatsoever. Then on the rear of the device, we have a 3-camera design, one of which is an IR blaster. I feel like the main camera right here might be the only one that is active. And we also have the subtle Tecno Spark branding. The 6.7 inches punch hole display is stunning for what it is. It features a 720p HD Plus display with up to 800 nits of peak brightness, which is going to help you see more on the display when you're outdoor. The display is sharp for watching videos, and scrolling from one social media app to another is smooth thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate. If 720p resolution isn't a deal breaker for you, the Spark 40 has got you covered. Okay, let's talk specs and performance. The Tecno Spark 40 comes with a MediaTek Helio G81 octa-core processor paired with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The Spark 40 offers some improvement when it comes to general performance and some light gaming. I played Call of Duty Mobile on medium graphic settings and the gameplay was smooth. Basic tasks on the Spark 40 is very okay. Scrolling through the user interface is pretty okay. Opening apps is fine. Web browsing and multitasking is fine as long as you don't have too many background apps running. Unlike most budget phones in its class, I'm glad that the Spark 40 comes with HiOS 15.1 that is based on Android 15. The new UI looks clean with minimal bloatware, and just like Tecno Pop 10, it comes with what Tecno calls FreeLink. By the way, watch out for my review of the Tecno Pop 10. With FreeLink, you can make phone calls and send messages without a SIM card or internet connection on this smartphone, which is impressive. It is more like a walkie-talkie. It uses Bluetooth connectivity, so the range is within 30 to 40 meters. It also comes with Tecno AI like writing assistant, AI eraser, AI wallpaper generation, document assistant, and Ella voice assistant. So on a budget, you can do a lot of AI stuff. Additionally, if you're a type that likes to misplace your AC or TV remote around your house or office, the Spark 40 has got you covered because you can use it to control your home electronics as it comes with an IR blaster, which is cool. Okay, let's quickly talk about the camera. The Tecno Spark 40 comes with a 50 megapixels main camera supported by an auxiliary lens. Then on the front side of the device, it comes with an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Images on the main camera appears decent and colorful with a lot of details. Keeping in mind that you can only get this type of quality in a well-lit environment or a bright sunny day. The 8 megapixel selfie camera is decent and I like the portrait images too. I like how it's able to separate the background from the subject even though it doesn't have much details like the ones from the rear camera. Now, the Spark 40 can shoot videos up to 2K resolution and this is what the footage looks like. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Hey guys, so this is a 2K footage from the Tecno Spark 40. What do you guys think? I'm currently indoors and I'm right beside the window right here, and it's okay. It looks great. What do you guys think of the video quality and the audio quality right here? Let me know in the comment section below. The batteries where the Spark 40 really excel, and I have to give it to Tecno for being able to give you this price point. It comes with a 5200 mAh battery and it is impressive. This is an easy 2-day device if you're an average user. Yeah, it is that impressive. But do you know what is even more impressive? It is the 45-watt super fast charger it comes with. This is the only smartphone in its price category that comes with this amount of charging capabilities. Tecno even says that if you charge it for just 44 minutes, it will give you the power that will carry you for a full day. So you don't have to worry about your phone getting low if you're always on the go. Now, during my test, charging this device from 0 to 100% took just 1 hour and 20 minutes. I haven't seen any budget phone around 150,000 naira price point that can achieve this. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section below. So that is the Tecno Spark 40. What do you actually get when you spend 142,000 naira or about $90 on a smartphone? Or should you even bother? Well, the Tecno Spark 40 is a budget smartphone that offers a lot. I would say so far it is the best in its price category. You get a 45-watt fast charger that is capable of juicing this 5200 mAh battery in no time. You get a decent camera for the price, even though the selfie camera is kinda underwhelming. I'm sure the Pro model will fix the camera completely. You get a lot of AI stuff, which could mean a lot to those that can't afford the more expensive phone. The Freelink app is another feature I can't ignore, and I reckon it's going to be useful to a lot of people. So yeah, you should consider it. And that is it, my review of the Tecno Spark 40. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I'll talk to you in the very next one. Bye-bye.